Welcome to the world of homemade pizza, where the crust is crispy, the cheese is melty, and the toppings are plentiful. Step 1. Gather the ingredients. You'll need flour, yeast, olive oil, and salt for the dough. For the sauce, grab some ripe tomatoes, garlic, and a splash of red wine. And let's not forget the star of the show, mozzarella cheese, and your favorite toppings. Step 2. Make the dough. Combine the flour, yeast, olive oil, and salt, then knead until smooth. Let it rise until it's doubled in size. Step 3. Prepare the sauce. Sauté the garlic, add the tomatoes and wine, and let it simmer until it's thick and rich. Step 4. Assemble your pizza. Roll out the dough, spread the sauce, sprinkle the cheese, and layer on the toppings. Finally, bake in a hot oven until the cheese is bubbly and the crust is golden brown. And there you have it, delicious homemade pizza right in your own kitchen. It's easy, it's fun, and the best part? You get to customize it just the way you like. So why not give it a try? You might just find your new favorite hobby. Enjoy the process, savor the outcome, and remember, the best pizza is the one you make yourself. Until next time, happy pizza making!